Hi, I'm James, and this is an introduction to Solutions Connect for Sage 200 and Salesforce. Solutions Connect for Sage 200 and Salesforce empowers your business by breaking down the walls between finance, sales, and service with an effective, integrated CRM and ERP solution. Solutions for Accounting and CRM have delivered customer success through business management systems for over 20 years. Our in-house specialist Sage and Salesforce development team focus on tackling business challenges with pre-configured and bespoke integrations designed for your business. Solutions Connect is an application that sits on your Sage 200 server with an easy-to-navigate user interface, enabling you to quickly and easily configure an integration that works for you. Keeping you in control of API limits and server resources, Solutions Connect runs as a service, collecting new and updated information as frequently as you request within working hours that you can define via the interface. Having worked with out-of-the-box integrations in the past, we understand how frustrating it can be when the information you need isn't synchronized. Because of this, Solutions Connect was developed with a focus on flexibility, allowing you to collect and pass data in a customized stream whenever you need to. Synchronizing data is simple. Choose whether you're downloading data from Salesforce or uploading data from Sage 200. Solutions Connect allows you to choose at an entity-by-entity level what kinds of records are synchronized and when. Our new only feature enables one-time data pass-through, for example downloading new customers from Salesforce to be auto-created in Sage. Amend only ensures no new records are created, but linked records will continue to be updated. Ensuring complete control, once you've chosen at an entity level, you can then choose what fields of information are synchronized, map information from Sage and Salesforce fields, including analysis codes and custom Salesforce fields. Fields can also be set to download on a new-only basis, ensuring data is created but never overwritten. Using our query function, you can easily filter the records that are captured by the integration. For example, ensuring only accounts with a type of customer are downloaded to Sage. Modify allows fields to be updated once the record is synchronized. Enable your sales team to make data-driven decisions with Sage data in Salesforce. No switching screens or double licensing is required, and you can use standard Salesforce security functionality, such as profiles and permission sets, to control data visibility. Solutions Connect brings Sage data directly into hierarchical custom objects within Salesforce, meaning no complicated screen pops or iframes, allowing your team to work in the CRM they know best. Boost efficiency by removing manual processes, for example creating a sales order without leaving Salesforce. Stock balances can be easily imported into Salesforce, allowing you to keep an eye on what stock you have and where without opening Sage 200. Leverage the power of Salesforce dashboards and reports across sales, service and accounts data. Provide snapshot information on account screens such as an order trend chart or year-on-year comparison. Solutions Connect is available now. Streamline your processes and eradicate duplicate entry with your Salesforce and Sage 200 integration. For more information, head over to our website, solutionsforaccounting.co.uk, or give us a call on 0115 840 5075.